Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to record your screen using OBS. As you can see, like currently I'm using OBS to record my display. So I'll show you how you can do this and record your screen, like the whole screen, whatever you want to do. So first of all, open the OBS inside your like PC or laptop. And once you open the OBS, you will see like this kind of interface. So from here, you just need to go inside this section, which is called sources. Inside sources, just click on this plus button and you will see multiple options like application audio browser. So just click on this option, like this is 6th 7th option, display capture. Just click on this option, and as you can see, like I already have added display capture, so that is why it is giving display capture 2. So make sure to create a new, write down the name and click on OK. And after that, they will ask you to like select the display. You can just select the display captured mode automatic or Windows 10, whatever you want to use, and just click on OK. And once you click on OK, as you can see, like my display was currently captured by display capture 1. So from display capture 2, you can just select this one. You will see only one, and just click on start recording. Like you will see these options on the inside the control section. So inside the control section, you will see all these options: start streaming, recording, virtual mode, so studio mode. Just click on this option called start recording. I'm already recording, so I'm seeing the option to stop recording. So once you start recording, you can just start it and like do whatever you want to do. And at the end, once you have recorded, just click on stop recording and it will stop recording. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can use OBS to record your display. And you can also play with audios, like if you already have a mic or you want to use the desktop audio or not, that depends on you. Otherwise, you can mute it from here and just do whatever you want to do.